Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel, our Oven channel. This one cool podcast with a special people in IDN. In IDN, you can introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Alvan Ataya Fadila and I'm from 8th grade, especially 8A.
Okay, Oven, this I want to uh, ask you, but before that, I want to introduce to myself first. My name is Algadi Zevan Santoso. You can call me Sisi. This I'm the host of podcast. Okay, Ovan. I want to ask you for the impact of social media apps like Instagram, TikTok, or anything else in public, but in digital. What is the first impact for the social media?
Okay, so in my opinion, there are so many impact on social media, especially on teenagers. So one of the first impact that we already experience now is that many people use social media to interact, but when they interact in real life, it is usually hard. So, uh, s- many times, or most of the times, social media can impact our social skills. And now, with many people or children, and in this generation, uh, because of social media they lack of social skills, so it is sometimes can ruin like face-to-face interaction, or many people, many of our generation right now is struggling when they talk to people in real life, and that is the first impact that we already experience or feel right now.
Okay, Ovan. And then I want to ask you the next question. Okay, when you are ready to get like the impact of social media, you like scrolling or see people in social media apps like Instagram and TikTok lah. In your mindset when already take the impact of social media, what?
What the impact on like the mindset of social media impact on our mindset is also depending on yourself. So for example, if you use social media for good, uh, the result or what they will show you, the social media apps will show you, like if you know the for you page FYP, it will show good things, like for example motivational content, and then maybe some dakwah content, and it will show like that. It depends on yourself, but if you use it for bad things, uh it will also show you bad things like uh useless content, and then uh maybe even some uh content that is not appropriate for teenagers or people our age. And then uh also uh use social media features for good, like for example the comment section and like, favorite, dislike button. That's all, use it for good. And if you don't use it for good, it will backfire on you, like for example if you give hate comments too much, later you will get dragged into a useless conversation on the comment section. And then also it will impact your working career later in life. For example, the company will see your digital footprint, and then it can win your chances of getting hired into the job you wanted or the job you sign up for. And that is like this in my example, how a social media can impact your mindset and or even your life. Yeah.
Okay, when you get like that for the impact impact of social media, how to change your social impact of social media to change it.
Okay. So in my opinion, how to change the impact on your social media is do it for good things. Like for example, if you want to make like or you want to be a content creator, you post something that is useful. For example, like maybe design tips and tricks like Canva, Figma, and many others, or make dakwah content. Don't post content that is not good for people like that. And then if you want to make the impact as a user and change the impact, is that use it for good. Like for example, if you see a good content, uh at least like leave a like or uh make a good comment, like supporting the creator, or yeah, something like that. And don't use social media as a social media is made so people can be closer to each other, and people can see what other people do. Don't use it as a way that can ruin yourself. Like for example, as I said before, like it can ruin your social interaction, and maybe it can even ruin other people's. And then use it for good, like leave a good comment and don't hate other people on social media like that.
Okay, and then for like before you say so the people when already get impact of social media, him always in home and like scrolling social media and when the people are ready to get the social and like the level of social media already high level, how to give give invest for him.
Okay. So what you say is that if people are too much scrolling, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So my advice for people who do too much scrolling or is addicted to like social media. So the first thing is make like a good habit. For example, limit yourself on using social media, or you can use a screen time settings, like maybe you can use this app only for a few hours, and then the app will be locked on your phone like that. And then yeah, just try to use social media less by using like screen time block and the stuff. And then also try to find a new hobby that maybe that doesn't use or connected to social media. For example, like if you like drawing, and then you like what maybe play with your maybe biking and then exercising, and basically just try to find a new hobby that doesn't uh connected to any social media like that. Try to find it, and then try to go outside, exercising, and then running, jogging, biking, cycling like that. Yeah, and that is my advice for people who are just too addicted to social media.
then one uh, 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 one way at you are ready to explain of the impact of social media, like people always scrolling in at home, yeah, in home you always scroll and not want to go out for social to all people like friends or parents, and him always use phone in and home, and then uh, before we closing, I'm thanks for you, Ovan, because you already come to cafe for the podcast. And then last we say Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.